Okay, good evening. Hello, everyone. This is a video for you to uh, understand and to study and to prepare yourself for our Communicative Task 1. Okay? So, remember in Task 1, the purpose of the task is that you are able to ask for personal information, including family, including other people, and that you're able to talk about personal information about you, your family, and other people. Okay? So, remember, Communicative Task 1, personal information questions. So, remember, for Communicative Task 1, there will be 3 parts. 1, introducing yourself. 2, talking about your family. And 3, talking about powerful people. Okay? So we will meet 3 people in 20 minutes and we will talk about this. Very important. For this communicative task, you need the camera on, like this. The mic on, you need to talk, so it's important. Be prepared, so study. Be prepared for the questions and the answers you have to provide, and be on time. Okay? So, the first part, introducing yourself. The idea is that you're able to give information about you. So, for example, what is your name? What is your last name? How do you spell your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you study? When is your birthday? What semester are you in? Are you single or married? What is your phone number? And what is your email address? Okay? So, the idea is that you are able to answer those questions, and there will be a time that you are going to ask me questions, personal information questions. So, this is the first part. The second part, talking about your family. In this part, you will have questions like, is your family big or small? Who do you live with? What is your father's or mother's name? What does your father or your mother do? How old are your parents? How many brothers and sisters do you have? What are your siblings' names? How old are your siblings? Do you have a pet? What is your pet's name? Okay? So this is questions about family. And then you will ask me questions about my family. Okay? And then part number 3 is about talking about powerful people. In this part, remember that in class I told you that you have to go to a website in Forbes talking about the most billionaire people, the most, let's say, powerful people in the world. You have to choose one character, and when we are in the interview, when we are in the communicative task, I will ask you questions like this. Who is your powerful people character? What is his or her name? Where is he or she from? How old is he or she? Where does he or she live? What is his or her profession? Is he single or married? Or is she single or married? Does he or she have children? Why he or she is famous? So this is the information we're going to talk about. Okay? Okay. So remember, very important, no Spanish. I told you in class, no Spanish. So, if you don't understand, you say, teacher, I don't understand. Or you say, teacher, can you repeat, please? Or if you need that I help you with some vocabulary, you say, teacher, how can I say this in English? Or how can I pronounce this in English? Okay? Okay, so if you have questions, please let me know. This is my email, and you just let me know how can I help. Okay? Okay. Have a very nice day, and we'll see you next week.